let's start very simple, and as a client, I'll be asking you, what is homeowners insurance, and why do I need it?
Sure. So homeowners insurance is a very important part of the new home purchase process. First of all, being if you're going to get a mortgage for the home, the lender is going to require you to have a homeowners insurance policy. Second important point to it is purchasing a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and it's important to make sure you're covering that or insuring that investment, because if something goes wrong, you want to make sure you're protected. So at the end of the day, the important thing is to protect that very important investment. And then with that, there's a lot that goes into it. So like the inspections that you may need, and a lot of times with the insurance, sometimes you can highlight just maybe issues or things that need to be taken care of with the house, so you're not making a bad investment. So it's definitely an important part to the process.
Yeah, no, of course, of course. And we can see that, because it's also part of a requirement of a loan, because it has to protect the investment whenever you are financing the property. And then as an owner, you need to have, like you said, your investment protected. Now, walk me through the steps. So, okay, I ask you, like, why is it important? Why do I need it? And then what do we do next? Like, what are the steps to get this insurance?
Yeah, so basically, you come to me, we get your address, I do some homework on the property, maybe go over some inspections that you'll need. And especially in Florida, this is very important, and where having a good agent, being able to walk you through this process. Two of those inspections, in addition to the pre-purchase inspection, are called the 4-point inspection and the wind mitigation inspection. So the first thing I would do was get a copy of those inspections from you, so that I can get you an accurate price. Because really, without, say, a wind mitigation inspection, it's kind of a shot in the dark what the price is going to be. And what makes the wind mitigation inspection so important is, just as an example, without that inspection, your premium could be $4,000 a year, very pricey. And then if we get that inspection, we can go down to $1,500 a year, $2,000 a year. And that definitely helps in terms of qualifying for the mortgage. Sometimes if the insurance is too high, that can create issues for the debt to income ratio.
Yes.
That's where having an agent that can explain those inspections or simply walk you through making a quick change to that inspection to get a better price. So we would go over the inspection portion. We would go out, shop the home with all the carriers we have available. So in Florida, there's well over 100 different carriers that you can get quotes from. Some are more competitive than others, but that's where we help you kind of get through that process, explain the coverages to you. And, once we make a decision, we kind of go from there and help you understand what it is you're paying for.